And welcome to the latest edition of Wake Up with SEO, where each week we brief you on the latest tech news and changes you need to know. So I want to thank you for tuning in. We appreciate you, whether you're watching us live or on the replay. It is our goal at Guardian Owl to provide some transparency in what's going on out there in the search engine land community and in just big tech overall. We seem to be consumed, especially now during quarantine, with social media. And so what a better time for Facebook to roll out a huge announcement last week. Facebook and Instagram are going to roll out shops. So you can now sell your products or services right directly from Facebook. So this is huge news and has been in the making for years with Facebook. And yesterday, Facebook finally announced this opportunity for whether you're an enterprise, a small, medium-sized business, or you're just a one-person shop. This gives you the ability to sell your products right from Facebook or Instagram directly. So Facebook explained that Shops is going to make it easy for businesses to set up a singular online store for customers to access both through Facebook and Instagram. This is going to be free and simple. Facebook says businesses can choose the products they want to feature from their catalog and then customize the look and feel of their shop and bring their business online. So again, it doesn't matter if you are a small business, solopreneur, or you're an enterprise. This gives you the ability to sell your products directly from Facebook and Instagram. Now, if you are a business owner and you have not taken the leap forward in the last several years and created a Facebook business page, this is the time to do so, because this is going to be rolling out on the back end of your Facebook business profile. You're going to see in the left-hand column in the navigation under business settings, you're going to see a new option that allows you to build your Facebook shop. You're going to click on that, and Facebook describes it being easy to add in your brand, accent colors, cover image, and so forth. So huge news. Make sure that if you're a business owner or if you have a Shopify store, this is something that you are staying abreast of, because this is huge news. So drop a comment below as far as what product listings you can connect through which platform. Facebook did announce that they are already working with Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Channel Advisor, Cafe24, and a few other major platforms. So if you have a web developer or somebody who's managing your social media, send them an email. If you're working with an agency, they're probably already looking into this and what comes next. It was huge news. And of course, what better time with the surge of traffic right now during quarantine and the COVID pandemic with the surge of Facebook users. So big news for Facebook. And rolling into our next update this morning, YouTube is following suit. YouTube is now rolling out YouTube Select, which is huge for businesses and YouTube's monetization, because it's going to allow you as a business owner to target TV shows and live streaming right now. So brand advertisers will be able to target TV screen viewing for the first time, even in their local areas. So if you're on both sides of the coin, if you are a YouTube subscriber right now, YouTube is stating that they have more than 100 million people that watch YouTube, and it's over the top OTT, if you're in the ad world, service YouTube TV monthly in the US. I'm going to repeat that. 100 million people are right now watching OTT within YouTube monthly in the US. That is wild that they have that much of an audience. And so to take advantage of that in the surge of people at home watching all their favorite shows on YouTube, they have announced this brand new initiative from their advertising team. If you're on the business side, this is a huge opportunity, low cost. It is the new TV. Ad buying options are going to vary by region, but advertisers will be able to buy some YouTube Select lineups via Google Ads, Google Display, and Video 360. So huge opportunity to jump on this advertising wagon while you have the audience right now at home. And you will be able to target live sports when those roll back out, but this is exciting, and you should certainly care because YouTube right now is taking advantage of people at home watching and not subscribing to their premium channel, so they have that connection and ability to monetize that audience. So look out for the ads, whether you're locally, if you're a business owner already advertising on YouTube, take advantage of this. This is not sponsored by YouTube. That is just really exciting to see. Finally, YouTube rolling out the ability to target local TV shows and live streaming shows and all your favorite local live sports. So huge news. Let us know what you think of that. Please leave us a comment. Let us know if you're already taking advantage of YouTube ads and what you think. And just lastly, before we close out the morning, Google is now offering the free Translator plugin widget on websites now. It's rolling that out to nonprofits and eligible businesses. This is something that they had kind of said, hey, we're pulling the plug and not supporting this product anymore, which it is huge if you are a business or a nonprofit that you want to reach several different audiences and don't have in languages, demographics, and do not have the resources to translate your entire site into multiple languages. This is a free plugin that you can install, and Google is now supporting it, that will translate your site for free in over 100 different languages. So great for a user. And from a search engine side, it's great if you want to expand your SEO footprint in multiple regions, multiple languages, and target multiple demographics within your online real estate portfolio because it's free. So take advantage of that. We hope that if you have questions or again are watching this on the replay, like, comment, and share it so that more, again, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a huge enterprise, you now have two big resources and platforms to take advantage of, with Facebook rolling out the live shops, allowing you to sell directly from Facebook and Instagram, as well as YouTube finally connecting the monetization with live TV and local networks and programs. So thank you for tuning in. And if you have questions, leave them below or visit guardianoutdigital.com. We look forward to seeing you right back here next week at the Guardian Out Next. Have a good week.